In today's video, we are gonna be playing Hide and Seek Extreme. Let's go. Cool, loading, alright. Oh my god, it's already started. Hey, stop. He found 3 out of 9 players.
Oh my
That's
god!
it. Okay, let's see. If only I could select the map, but I don't have that much. So many people joined the game. Ethan's bedroom. Oh, alright. Alright. I have 4.17% of being the it. And let's see who will be the it. Oh, it was Mamie, Jasmine, whatever that name is. So yeah, the game is starting. I'm gonna be playing. Alright, where should I hide? I know I'm not.
What the
She left, bro. Oh my
hell?
god. Bro, seriously? Do something good. Back there pretty good. I know so many spots there. Bro, she joined back. Look in the chat. Maybe Jasmine have joined the game.
Are you
Like
serious right
literally,
now,
she just
bro?
wanted not to be the it. Imagine it was her again. Like no way. Alright, Soul Saints. Alright. Okay, we'll see what they can do. Think I'll hide really near the player. Wait, since I'm really dark, since I set up this. Wait. What do I have? My pets. Can I unequip? Unequip. Yep. Yes, sir. Oh, it's still there. Like, bro. Oh my god. Why? Still there. Wait, can I make him go like to the void? Void. Yeah, there. That's pretty good. Let's see. I'm gonna see if he's gonna come up. See here. She's not even moving. Like, literally. I see her right there. Like, it's not moving. Though. Like, what happens if I go next to it? She's actually pretty scary. If I touch her, I get tagged. I'm not doing that for sure. I am not doing that. Okay, so let's just wait. Oh my god. Oh my god. Parkour. Can I go behind her? This is actually really creepy, bro. I'm gonna. I'm just gonna go here and just emote on her. Emote on her, alright? I'm about to emote on her, alright? But, like, this is the easiest way. I'm not joking, man. Out of all the times I played this game, it's the easy. Yeah, I should actually do that. Bye. Oh my god, this is so easy. Bye. Imagine at the last second she tagged me. The last second. Easy. Easy. Imagine I touched her. What happens if I touch her? Like, Let's go. Alright, she found one? Huh? How is that possible? Alright. I know a lot of places in the workshop. Yeah, let's go. Okay. Have 13%, 15% chance to become it, so that's not me for sure. Sure, so it's me. I'm so close. I was right there. I was right there. Okay, so bye. Something, something that they won't see. Let me just go down. Actually, there's not. Oh, I see something. Oh no. It's there. It's not there. There's no jump in here. No jump boost here. Oh, she's right there. Right there. She's right there. Right there. Like she's low key. Just right there. Like this is the easy spot. Like you expect me. Okay. I thought that was the it, but it wasn't. So I was about to go here, bro. Good thing I didn't. Cause it matches my avatar. So I was about to go there, but good thing I didn't. Gonna go down. Gonna go to the secret spot down. I bet. Yep. Go. Gonna check. Well, that's actually a pretty good spot. But since you checked it, I'm about to boost and go there. I'm not joking. Like, let's go. Like, where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? So I'm over there. Go. Okay, okay, I'm going for the run. I'm going for the run. I'm actually going, bro. Where is he? Where is he? Oh, I'm about to get caught. Where is he? I'm gonna stay here real quick. He's there, he's there. He's right there. Oh my god. Actually, I'm about to get caught. I'm about to get caught. I'm gonna stay here. Let's see. Does he see me? Oh my god. Oh my god. This spot. This spot. I'm staying here. Like, low key, I'm staying here, bro. Easiest win, bro. I'm not joking. Like, we just spectate, but waiting. See, where's he going now? Has he found one? I don't know if he found one already. There's someone right there. I was gonna get it. Bro, is he blind? Right there. Ooh. She got eliminated. I have 100. Yeah, let's see what I can buy. Could buy a mech spider or bat. How about taunts? Make it rain. Freestyle. I'm gonna buy when I have make it rain, alright. The Yeti, Jacob. Alright. Wait, imagine someone's actually there. Okay. Like, I think we just found one or maybe two people. I don't know. Like, I'm just right there. At the last second, last 10 seconds, I'm gonna be running. I'm not joking. He's right there. I'm just gonna be running around. Good. The characters. What does the panda do or the iceberg? Glue, sprint, place camera, glue, glue, sprint, sprint, place camera. Stunning smash? I'm definitely buying that. Okay, I'm going. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Easy, bro. Too easy. He found 7? What? No way. He found so many things. Was found, then he was found, then he found, he was found. He found so many, bro. Like, bro, that's so many, bro. Alright, that's the last round. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and post notification for more videos. Bye.